Very good evening to all of you. Today I am going to teach soil erosion. What are the reason, how we can conserve this, what are the types of soil erosion. These things, these topics you know very well. When you watch this complete video, you get complete information about this. So if you are new, please subscribe my channel and like my videos and press the bell icon. After this, I start the topic soil erosion. Introduction: soil erosion. Soil erosion is the detachment, transport and deposition of soil particles on land surface, also termed as loss of soil. Soil erosion is another term we can use. Loss of soil. How we can measure this? Measured as mass per unit area. Mass per unit area. Soil erosion is caused by two ways. First one is natural processes, second one is human activities. Natural processes like as water, wind. Human activities like as overcropping, overgrazing, deforestation. Types of soil erosion. Sheet erosion. Sheet erosion is the removal of the thin layer of topsoil by raindrop splash or water runoff. Sheet erosion. Sheet erosion is the removal of the thin layer of topsoil by raindrop splash or water runoff. Gully erosion. In gully erosion, the surface runoff is very high. Gullies resemble large ditches or small valleys, or meter to 10 meters in depth and width. Rill erosion. If sheet erosion occurs with full force, the run of water moves rapidly over the soil surface. It cuts well-defined finger-shaped groove-like structures. It appears as thin channels or streams. It is known as rill erosion. Stream bank erosion. The river during floods splash their water against the bank. In this way, the water cuts through them, particularly at caves. Water strikes with great speed and the bank caves in alongside. This type of erosion is also known as riparian erosion. Other types: wind erosion. Soil erosion by wind is common in dry regions. Two characteristics of such regions are: the soil is mainly sandy. Second one, the vegetation is very poor or even absent. Landslides or slip erosion. The hydraulic pressure which is caused by heavy rains increase the weight of the rocks at cliff. As a result, they come under the gravitational force and finally slips or fall off. This is the picture of landslides or slip erosion. Effect of soil erosion. First, reduced the crop production. Eroded soil is deposited on riverbeds, raising their levels and leading to devastating floods. Plant productivity decline, desertifications, etc. Methods of conservation. Various methods of soil conservation may be broadly categorized into two types: agronomic practices. Next is engineering practices. Agronomic practices. This method involves protection of the topsoil by special methods and schemes of crop cultivation. These are, first one is crop rotation. It is a method of growing a series of dissimilar crops in an area sequentially. Here, different crops are grown in the same area by rotation, that is, one after another. Crop rotation also helps in the improvement of soil structure and fertility. Next, strip cropping. In this method, the cultivated crops and the cover crops are sown in alternate strips during the same period in the same field. Engineering practices. Excavation of ditches. These are artificially created channels to divert the excess water. Two types of ditches are commonly made. Diversion ditches, diverting the runoff away from the field. Intersection ditches, made at regular and suitable intervals across the cultivated field. These ditches do not allow formation of thick sheet of water. Made at regular and suitable intervals across the cultivated field. These ditches do not allow formation of thick sheet of water. Terrace construction. Terrace or large steps cut into a hillside. This reduces slope length and steepness to control the energy of running water and its ability to carry soil away. Check dams. Small, sometimes temporary, check dams are constructed over the various materials like stones, timber, steel, etc. to control erosion by reducing the velocity of water flow. Two pictures are also given in this slide. First one is a steel check dams, next a concrete check dam. Next, windbreak or shelter belts. Varies formed by trees and plants with many leaves to control the wind velocity. Conserve the soil, save the earth. Thank you, students, for listening to me. Thank you once again, and please like, share and subscribe my channel.